This is the largest venomous snake in the world. Meet the king cobra, a reptilian nightmare that commands respect and fear. Growing up to 18 feet long, the king cobra's size alone is enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. But what truly makes it terrifying is its potent venom. Just one bite can deliver enough neurotoxins to take down an elephant, or even more horrifying, 20 humans. Unlike other snakes that might shy away after a quick strike, the king cobra isn't one to back down. When threatened, it raises up, extending its hood, sometimes reaching eye level with a human. This intimidating posture, coupled with a bone-chilling hiss that resembles a growling dog, creates an unforgettable and heart-stopping sight. Its piercing gaze locks onto its prey, sizing them up, making a mental calculation of the perfect moment to strike with deadly precision. And this fearsome predator doesn't only strike fear into humans, it holds a unique position in the snake world by primarily feasting on other serpents. It's a powerful force in the animal kingdom, unchallenged and unrivaled.